Want to download the official Windows 11 ISO file for free? In this guide, I'll show you 2 official ways to get it directly from Microsoft. Let's get started. Type this link in your browser. The link is given in the description. Or simply search for Windows 11 ISO download and click the official Microsoft link. Now you have 2 ways to download the ISO. On the page, scroll down to the section called Create Windows 11 Installation Media. Click the button that says Download Now. Once the tool is downloaded, run it. Accept the license terms. You can keep the recommended options or choose your language, edition, and architecture. Click Next. Now, you have 2 options: USB flash drive or ISO file. Select ISO file, choose a folder, and click Save. The download will begin. This method is great for creating bootable USB drives or installing Windows from scratch. On the same page, scroll down to download Windows 11 Disk Image, also called ISO. Under Select Edition, choose Windows 11 Multi-Edition ISO. Click Confirm. Now select your language. Click Confirm, and then click the button for 64-bit download. The download link will be valid for 24 hours, so start the download right away. This method is perfect for virtual machines or manual installation. Once your ISO is ready, you can use tools like Rufus to create a bootable USB drive. Or use the Media Creation tool again to burn it to a USB stick. And that's it. 2 easy ways to download Windows 11 ISO officially from Microsoft. If this guide helped you, give it a like and subscribe for more Windows tutorials. Thanks for watching.